Hi, wanna hear the good news? Satideh Mawnin Runnings are come back this coming Saturday, September 16 at 10 a.m. on Inside the Zone with Lady D on the YouTube channel. Uno no miss it, it'll go good.
Let me hurry up and lipstick up because Satideh Mawnin Runnings coming back. You ready for me? We are ready for you. Satideh Mawnin Runnings coming back.
Hi there, welcome back to Satideh Mawnin Runnings. You did miss me? We did miss you too, you know. Anyway, the summer over, back to business. Come join me and make we talk.
Yes, it's the return of Satideh Mawnin Runnings. Welcome back, ladies and plenty men. Yes, we are here to share. We took a little bit of holiday. We took a little bit of break. Eat some extra mango for this summer. But now we're back to share. We hope that you care. So come listen, come join in the fun. We love you all.